welcome to a brand new episode of Planet Bollywood. मैं हूँ सागरिका छेत्री and as promised, I'm back with the latest from the world of Bollywood and social media. So sit back, relax and enjoy and know what your celebrities are up to.
Who is the leading lady in Malang 2? Is it Disha Patni or Shraddha Kapoor? Anushka Sharma has found herself embroiled in a legal controversy related to her brand new production for an OTT platform. Kartik Aaryan has said that if it helps producers and the crisis-struck film industry, he is willing to take a pay cut when shooting resumes post the lockdown. Riddhima Kapoor Shahani, who has been sharing pictures of her late father Rishi Kapoor after he passed away,
We have heard many dramatic tales of actors being dropped or replaced in films. लेकिन जो किस्सा मैं सुनाने जा रही हूँ, that is a mystery of the leading lady. Now recently हमने सुना था that Disha Patni and Aditya Roy Kapoor will be the stars in Malang 2. लेकिन अब सुनने में ये आ रहा है that Shraddha Kapoor has been chosen to play the lead role in Malang 2 and this will be her fourth collaboration with Mohit Suri. आखिर ये माजरा क्या है? Has Mohit actually dropped Disha and gone in the Disha of Shraddha, जिनके साथ उनका लंबा relationship है? We'll have to wait and find out. मोहित सूरी की लाइफ बन गई है a mystery of leading lady कौन? जी हाँ, just the other day we reported that Disha Patni and Aditya Roy Kapoor will be reuniting for Malang 2 after their sizzling chemistry set the screen on fire. Reports suggested that the film script which is currently being written will even bring back Anil Kapoor, whose performance was highly appreciated. But quite like his films, Kahani mein aaya hai twist when we got information that Mohit may be going in a different disha when it comes to casting the leading lady. Did you know that the voice at the end of the film, which calls to report a murder, was not Disha's but Shraddha Kapoor's? जी हाँ, खबरों के मुताबिक Mohit had approached his favorite Shraddha Kapoor for Malang, but the dates had not worked out. He then cast Disha for a fresh pairing which worked really well. But when he asked Shraddha to step in for a little voiceover at the end, she couldn't say no to her favorite director. Was this a huge clue about the cast of the sequel? Did Shraddha know कि voiceover was a promise of the main lead in the sequel? Recently, producer Ankur Garg had said, "We are thankful to the audience who has shown such a phenomenal response to our film Malang after the theatres now on OTT. While people are enjoying Malang, we are coming up with Malang 2. Mohit and Love are working on the sequel and more details will follow soon." But when we spoke to Mohit about the Shraddha or Disha confusion, he commented, "Not at all true. I haven't approached anyone. I haven't finished the script. We are hoping either Disha or Shraddha offer clarification as well." Just like our soldiers wear uniforms and need battle gears, हमारे COVID-19 warriors, doctors, nurses and other medical officials को ज़रूरत है PPE kits की, which is the only barrier between them and the virus. Recently, we got to know that Farhan Akhtar donated 1,000 PPE kits to a hospital in Mumbai, which is going to be a huge help to the doctors and nurses treating the COVID-19 patients and other high-risk patients. Bravo Farhan, these gestures will go a long way. While the common man has been contributing in small ways and doing his or her part by staying indoors, Bollywood celebrities have gone out of their way to be helpful, spread awareness and keep people's spirits lifted during this crisis. From making art or singing in virtual concerts, donating funds and sharing the government's message with their fans. बॉलीवुड सेलिब्रिटीज ने कोविड-19 से अफेक्टेड पेशेंट्स के लिए और मेडिकल कम्युनिटी के लिए दिल खोल के समर्थन दिया है। फरहान अख्तर, who was part of a recent online concert to raise funds for a charity, has donated 1,000 PPE kits to a Mumbai hospital. ये PPE किट्स सारे डॉक्टर्स और नर्सेस पहनते हैं and it's a special protective gear to safeguard the medical workers from catching the virus from the patients they are treating. Earlier, Shah Rukh Khan and Vidya Balan had made generous donations of PPE kits to hospitals in Mumbai and Maharashtra. Sonakshi Sinha is another celebrity who is auctioning her paintings to raise funds for the daily wage earners. वहीं दूसरी तरफ उनके फैंस ने भी डोनेट की PPE किट्स टू द मेडिकल कम्युनिटी, क्योंकि जिस तरह जंग में सोल्जर्स को स्पेशल यूनिफॉर्म की जरूरत होती है, वैसे ही our frontline COVID-19 warriors also need their special gear to keep fighting this pandemic. Farhan confirmed with a social media post that a set of PPE kits has left for the hospital. His post read, "Happy to share that a consignment of PPE kits leaves for the Kama Hospital, Mumbai. Lots of love and gratitude to all who contributed." Thanks a lot to Farhan and our generous Bollywood celebrities who are making every effort to offer support in this hour of need.
अरे ये तुमने कैसे बजाई?
ये ट्यून तो मुझे आती है, माँ ने मुझे सिखाया था। बताओ।
After Taapsee Pannu, the millennial heartthrob Kartik Aaryan has said that he is willing to take a pay cut to ease the burden on the film industry, which has suffered huge losses during the ongoing pandemic and the lockdown that has followed. Kartik Aaryan, who's a rising star in Bollywood, was discussing the impact of the pandemic on Bollywood and said he would do whatever it takes to help out the film industry. With the film industry rumored to have suffered losses to the tune of $1 billion and no real roadmap in place as to when films can start shooting again or when completed films can be released in movie theatres, young actors are coming forward to say that they are willing to take pay cuts to support producers and other crew members. After Taapsee Pannu spoke about taking a pay cut till things stabilize, millennial heartthrob Kartik Aaryan has also said he may be open to reducing his fees if that helps the struggling industry. Kartik, who has been at home with his parents and sister during the lockdown, has doubled up as content creator and entertainer during this lockdown. Jahan ek taraf he has been making funny videos with his mom and sister, Kartik also started a series called Koki Puchega, conducting interviews with frontline warriors like doctors and cops on India's war against the coronavirus pandemic.
लॉकडाउन मार्च से शुरू हुआ है, तो आपके हॉस्पिटल के पास दिसंबर के लिए प्लान है?
We have as in दिसंबर के लिए।
दिसंबर में बहुत सारी डिलीवरीज होने वाली हैं।
काय की?
बच्चों की।
During an interview recently with a film journalist, Kartik spoke about a wide range of topics, including the poor condition of the media and entertainment industry and stars taking pay cuts. When the journalist mentioned that Bollywood would take an estimated $1 billion hit during this crisis and asked Kartik about his thoughts on recovering from this crisis and possibly taking a pay cut, Kartik's response was heartening. Sharing his thoughts about the difficult times the industry is going through, Kartik ne kaha, "I wouldn't want to cut down on people's jobs. There has to be a solution wherein that problem also doesn't crop up and producers who are getting hit, they too are saved. There has to be a solution and a balance will come out. Whatever it takes for the industry to get together and start working, I think I'm up for it." I would do whatever collectively we decide to do. Responding specifically on pay cuts, Karthik said, if that is something that is gonna help the industry, I think we should all do that. We should be up for it. We have taken a huge hit as a country and as an industry also. I'm sure producers are glad to hear movie stars being understanding at this time. And सबका ऐसे ही साथ रहा तो ये मुश्किल वक्त भी जल्द कट जाएगा. Akshay Kumar has been very active during the COVID-19 crisis. Whether it's about making donations, creating awareness, or even making a music video to build morale, Akshay Kumar हर तरह से अपना support दे रहे हैं. Recently, he shared a smashing picture of himself in a cool outfit sitting on a chair with glares. But his caption said that it's better to sit it out at home because this too shall pass. Akshay Kumar was one of the first celebrities to make a donation to the PM Cares Fund and even brought many celebrities together for a special song Muskurayega India to spread hope and smiles at this difficult time. He frequently shares updates of himself with his family while always asking people to follow the lockdown rules, stay safe and stay at home.
हमें अंदाजा भी नहीं है कि हम सेफ रहें, इसके लिए कितने लोग अपनी जान को जोखिम में डालकर हमारे लिए दिन रात काम करते हैं. हमारी पुलिस फोर्स, नगर निगम के वर्कर्स, डॉक्टर्स, नर्सेज, अलग अलग NGO के वॉलंटियर्स, हमारे सरकार के लोग, राशन वाले, सब्जी वाले, दूध वाले, बिल्डिंग का जो वॉचमैन है वो भी, और भी ऐसे कई ज़रूरी काम करने वाले बहुत से लोग हैं. मैं समझता हूँ एक पूरी आर्मी है जो 24 घंटे काम कर रही है ताकि हम और हमारे परिवार सुरक्षित रहें.
The superstar has now shared a really cool picture of himself all dressed to kill. I'm sure all his fans are swooning to see Akshay in a pink t-shirt, trousers and a pair of tinted shades and sitting on a chair looking as handsome as ever. लेकिन जहां पिक्चर कमाल का है, उनका कैप्शन इससे भी ज्यादा अमेजिंग है. Akshay added a caption that poked fun at his pose while also delivering an important message about staying indoors. He captioned the picture, "Sometimes it's best to sit it out." Akshay made a reference to the ongoing coronavirus lockdown and further added the hashtags, "This too shall pass." The coolest Khiladi is spending time at home with his family, looking after wife Twinkle, who broke her foot at the beginning of the lockdown, caring for his mother, whom he extended special Mother's Day wishes to, for being the only one who can reassure him with just a pat on the head, and taking on bicycle race challenges with his little daughter Nitara. But all this while staying safe at home. We are sitting it out, Akshay, but hopefully for not too much longer.
यार एक थैंक यू तो बनता है, दिल से थैंक यू बनता है.
Planet Bollywood में लेते हैं एक छोटा सा ब्रेक, but guys stay tuned because I'll be back in a short while. Anushka Sharma has been enjoying the many compliments and positive reviews to the new web series made by the production house she runs with her brother Karnesh. But now Anushka Sharma has been served with a legal notice for the use of language against a character in the show which has upset a particular community in India and apparently shows the women of the community in poor light. Anushka Sharma is yet to respond, but if she doesn't, this matter could escalate further. Anushka Sharma is on cloud 9 after the tremendous response to her latest production. However, after dozens of positive reviews and shout-outs by celebrities, the show has become the subject of a legal notice that has been sent to the actor and her production house. Viren Sri Gurung, a member of the Lawyers Guild, has sent a legal notice to Anushka Sharma for a casteist slur used in the show. Talking about the legal notice to an online portal, Mr. Gurung shared that web series के दूसरे episode में the character of a lady police officer uses a caste-related slur against a character. He added that only if the term Nepali was used, there would not have been a problem. लेकिन नेपाली के बाद कई ऐसे शब्द यूज किए गए हैं जो उनके हिसाब से unacceptable हैं और इसी वजह से ये नोटिस भेजा गया है. Reportedly, the Gorkha community had already taken a strong objection to the language used in that particular scene, and a petition was initiated that is addressed to the Union Information and Broadcasting Ministry, the Minister Prakash Javadekar, the OTT platform, and series producer Anushka Sharma. उनका कहना है that the caste-based slurs used in the scene portray the women of the community in poor light. They have demanded to mute the slur, blur the subtitles, and upload the edited video with an unconditional apology and a disclaimer. As of now, the lawyers are waiting for a response from Anushka and her team. If there is a delay, they plan to take the case forward with the streaming platform and the other parties involved. Well, that brings us to the end of our episode on Planet Bollywood. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Do not forget to put in your views and comments in our comment section below on our digital platform and social media handles. For now, this is me, Sagarika Chhetri, signing off. You guys have a great weekend and stay home, stay safe. See you soon.